hi boys and girls. I was just looking around because I was noticing something. I was noticing all of these little ants on my chair outside. And do you know what ants are? Yep, that's right. They are an insect. And do you know how I know they are an insect? They have 6 legs. And my favorite insect is a butterfly. And a butterfly has lots of different parts on it. It has the wings, and there's little scales on it. It has legs, an abdomen back here, the thorax. These things are called proboscis. They're over here. This is called a proboscis. This is where the butterfly sucks the nectar from the flower. There's the head and the antlers. Oh, sorry, the antlers. The antenna are right here. So the antenna. All right, so boys and girls, we're going to read a quick story first, and then we're going to do a little activity together. So, a caterpillar grows up by Melvin and Gilda Berger, and this is published by Scholastic. Look, a caterpillar. What will it grow up to be? A butterfly. Did you know butterflies are insects? The mother butterfly lays her eggs on a leaf. The eggs are tiny. The eggs hatch. Oh my goodness, what's coming out? Out come tiny caterpillars. Did you know the new caterpillars are very hungry? Like the very hungry caterpillar we read about. First, the new caterpillar eats its own eggshell. Ew. Then it starts to eat leaves. It's a little windy out here. Sorry, boys and girls. The caterpillar has a mouth, strong jaws, and 6 eyes on each side of its head. Did you know caterpillars can only see light and dark? That is pretty cool. The caterpillar grows quickly. It wiggles out of its old skin 4 or 5 times. Did you know the caterpillar skin does not grow bigger? The caterpillar grows bigger, but not the skin, so it has to shed the old skin. One day, the caterpillar stops eating and it hangs from a branch. It builds a shell around its body. Did you know the shell is called a chrysalis? This chrysalis is now a pupa. Or sorry, the caterpillar is now a pupa. The caterpillar slowly changes. Do you know what it becomes, boys and girls? That's right, into a butterfly. The butterfly spreads its wings and it flies away. Did you know butterflies have 2 wings on each side? Yes, they do. Each caterpillar grows into its own kind of butterfly. So a monarch caterpillar here becomes a monarch butterfly. A painted lady caterpillar becomes a painted lady butterfly. Red admiral caterpillar becomes a red admiral butterfly, and a cabbage white caterpillar becomes a cabbage white butterfly. All right, so boys and girls. Oh, I'm not done the story, sorry. A butterfly flies from a flower to flower. It sips nectar from the flower. Did you know nectar is a sweet liquid inside flowers? In winter, some butterflies fly to warm places. Did you know thousands of butterflies travel together? They come back in the spring. They need to go somewhere warmer when it's cold outside. And one day you may see a caterpillar begin to change. Watch and see what happens. All right, so boys and girls, we're gonna do an insect inquiry, and we're going to see what you notice and what you wonder. So here are a few things that I notice. I noticed that some insects fly and some insects crawl. And some insects do both. They fly and they crawl. Yeah. And Julie, you want to hold this one up?
Sure.
I'm wondering, I have a question. And Olivia, would you like to hold this one up
Yes.
beside Julia? Do insects sleep? That's what Mrs. Mokniak wonders. Do they sleep? I don't know. So, boys and girls, that is your challenge. You can think of some questions. First of all, think of some things that you notice about insects. Maybe you notice some things I noticed. Maybe you notice some different things. You can write them here or draw them. This will be available on D2L. And also, maybe you have some questions about insects. What do you wonder? Maybe you wonder too that insects sleep. Maybe you can find that out for me and do some research. I want you to do some research about that question and maybe some other questions you might have, and share it with us. Share what you learned about your insect inquiry and let us know what you found out. Okay, boys and girls, happy insect hunting. Bye-bye.